Forward with the memory of Joe Slovo, forward. Forward, ngesithwalandwe Joe Slovo, forward.
uSlovo nowabe engusombusazwe owayephikisana kakhulu nobandlululo, wahola iSACP, waba yilungu le-ANC isikhathi eside, wabamba iqhaza ezingxoxweni ezaqeda uhulumeni wobandlululo. Kule nkonzo yokukhumbula amagalelo akhe, umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa unxuse ukuba osombusazwe bahambe ezinyathelweni zakhe.
We gather here not only so that we can honor his contribution to the struggle for liberation, but also to reflect on his legacy and how we can draw lessons from his life, from his actions, as well as from his character.
Engqungqutheleni ye-SACP ebibanjelwe eBoksburg ngoZibandlela, lenhlangano osekuphele isikhathi eside yeseka i-ANC imemezele ukuthi izongenela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo lwango-2026 ngokuzimela. Noma-ke umengameli engaphumelanga obala ngesinqumo se-SACP, kodwa-ke uthi zombili lezi zinhlangano ziyadingana.
The two need each other. The SACP needs the ANC. The ANC needs the SACP. The two are like twins. Separating them is to weaken our NDR.
uSlovo waba ungqongqoshe wezezindlu wokuqala ngaphansi kahulumeni wentando yabantu ngo-1994. Kwaze kuba-ke wenelwa ukufa kulandela ukuxinwa umdlavuza ngo-1995. Wafihlwa emathuneni ase-Avalon eSoweto, nokwaba yinto-ke abantu ababeyiqabuka ukuthi umlungu afihlwe kulamathuna.